भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता 2023 Chapter 22 Summary Trials 1. Notwithstanding anything contained in this Sanhita, a. Any Chief Judicial Magistrate, b. Magistrate of the first class, shall try in a summary way all or any of the following offences. I. Theft, under subsection 2 of Section 303, Section 305 or Section 306 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, where the value of the property stolen does not exceed 20,000 rupees. E. Receiving or retaining stolen property, under subsection 2 of Section 317 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, where the value of the property does not exceed 20,000 rupees. E. Assisting in the concealment or disposal of stolen property under subsection 5 of Section 317 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, where the value of such property does not exceed 20,000 rupees. IV. Offences under subsections 2 and 3 of Section 331 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. V. Insult with intent to provoke a breach of the peace, under Section 352, and criminal intimidation, under subsections 2 and 3 of Section 351 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. V. Abetment of any of the foregoing offences. V. An attempt to commit any of the foregoing offences, when such attempt is an offence. V. Any offence constituted by an act in respect of which a complaint may be made under Section 20 of the Cattle Trespass Act, 1871, 1 of 1871. 2. The magistrate may, after giving the accused a reasonable opportunity of being heard, for reasons to be recorded in writing, try in a summary way all or any of the offences not punishable with death or imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term exceeding 3 years, provided that no appeal shall lie against the decision of a magistrate to try a case in a summary way under this subsection. 3. When, in the course of a summary trial, it appears to the magistrate that the nature of the case is such that it is undesirable to try it summarily, the magistrate shall recall any witnesses who may have been examined and proceed to re-hear the case in the manner provided by this Sanhita. 284. Summary trial by magistrate of second class. The High Court may confer on any magistrate invested with the powers of a magistrate of the second-class power to try summarily any offence which is punishable only with fine or with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months with or without fine, and any abetment of or attempt to commit any such offence. 285. Procedure for summary trials. 1. In trials under this chapter, the procedure specified in this Sanhita for the trial of summons case shall be followed except as hereinafter mentioned. 2. No sentence of imprisonment for a term exceeding 3 months shall be passed in the case of any conviction under this chapter. 286. Record in summary trials. In every case tried summarily, the magistrate shall enter, in such form as the state government may direct, the following particulars, namely: a. The serial number of the case. b. The date of the commission of the offense. C. The date of the report or complaint. D. The name of the complainant, if any. A. The name, parentage and residence of the accused. F. The offense complained of and the offense, if any, proved, and in cases coming under Clause I, Clause E, or Clause E, of subsection 1, of Section 283. The value of the property in respect of which the offense has been committed. G. The plea of the accused and his examination, if any. H. The finding. I. The sentence or other final order. J. The date on which proceedings terminated. 287. Judgment in cases tried summarily. In every case tried summarily in which the accused does not plead guilty, the magistrate shall record the substance of the evidence and a judgment containing a brief statement of the reasons for the finding. 288. Language of record and judgment. 1. Every such record and judgment shall be written in the language of the court. 2. The High Court may authorize any magistrate empowered to try offences summarily to prepare the aforesaid record or judgment or both by means of an officer appointed in this behalf by the Chief Judicial Magistrate, and the record or judgment so prepared shall be signed by such magistrate.